We are following breaking weather news this morning. You're looking at a live radar image of Tropical Storm Harvey. That tropical wave did strengthen overnight. Again, it is now a tropical storm, and we are watching that closely. So good morning, and thank you for joining us for the Eyewitness Morning News. It is Thursday, August 24th. I'm Sheba Turk, and of course, Tropical Storm Harvey was once a tropical storm before.
It was. It's like part two or part two, you know. And,
so waking up this morning, I know people are even more frightened hearing that it's a tropical storm. What do we need to know here?
Nothing. We don't have to worry about it actually making landfall here. It's not expected to do that, which is some good news. And what's going to happen is if we were in Texas, we'd have a lot more reason to worry.
Yeah.
Because it is expected to move inland as a hurricane tomorrow and sit there for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So potentially 5 days before it finally starts moving into Louisiana. So it's not really until the middle of next week that we'll start to feel some of the bigger impacts from it, which would be some heavy rain.
Okay.
So it's going to be kind of a confusing forecast here because we do have an increased chance for rain, but it's not necessarily all from Harvey. It's from a front that's going to be moving on in. But here's the latest with Harvey. Winds are at 45, moving north at 10, and the pressure 995 millibars. So it is a little stronger. It is expected to strengthen throughout the day today. You can see they're becoming 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm and a hurricane by 1 o'clock on Friday with 80-mile-per-hour winds, close to being a Category 2 hurricane by landfall, which I think is potentially a possibility, actually, as it goes in landfall near Corpus Christi, Texas, there in the south central Texas coastline, and then work its way inland. Now watch what happens. This is Saturday where I stopped it there. And then looking at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then it kind of meanders there back to maybe the Gulf waters. So it's likely still going to be a tropical storm by 1 a.m. on Tuesday before finally maybe working its way gradually closer to Louisiana and potentially bringing us some very heavy rain, but not until the latter part of the week. Right now, though, we're looking at some showers along our coastline from Dulac to Galliano and Grand Isle this morning, just the nocturnal type thunderstorms. But a front will move in from the north today, and that's actually going to bring a better chance for rain to the area. Right now, temperatures here, mid-70s on the north shore, but it is muggy here in town. 83 degrees out there here in the city. And as we go about our day today, you'll need the umbrella. Chance of rain roughly around 50% on average for the day today, starting at 11 a.m. and continuing through the afternoon hours. So we'll talk more about rainfall totals and exactly when Harvey should possibly get its way into Louisiana coming up, my full forecast in just a little bit. Angie?
Well, thanks so much.